Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the best of both productivity worlds by showing you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. Whether you are managing projects, tracking tasks, or just staying organized, the integration will streamline your workflow and boost your efficiency. Let's get started and make your productivity sure. Here you can see on my screen, this is the Notion dashboard, and here you can see I have opened the ClickUp dashboard here. In ClickUp, you can click on this dot button and App Center, then search for Notion, and you can see there is no specific integration in ClickUp called Notion, but you can add this ClickUp to Notion by typing on this notion.so/integration/ClickUp. In this page you will see the button for add to Notion. Click on it and you will redirect to this type of page, and it will take a few seconds to load. Here in the My Connection section you will find various type of integration to add. Now here you can find the ClickUp next to the PagerDuty. Click on connect button. Wait for a while. Here you can see the ClickUp has comes out, and you have to just click on your profile and click on connect workspace. ClickUp is now connecting with your Notion. Now it's successfully added to your Notion. Scroll up and you can see the proof. Click on three dot to see the proof that you can now discount account from here, and that's mean the ClickUp has successfully integrated with your Notion. Now in any note, just type slash and search for ClickUp and you will find the ClickUp integration here. You can now add the ClickUp task link with your Notion note. Just paste the link here, then click on the link button and boom, ClickUp tasks will successfully added to your Notion. That's all. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. We will meet you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.